Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Industrialization and Localization Expert channel. I'm your host, Makole Lope, and today we're reporting live from the hub. As you can see, there's guys coming from lunch, and this is what makes South Africa ticking: employment. And we're gonna take you through what the hub is all about, what their contribution to manufacturing is, what their contribution to the overall industrialization aspirations of South Africa are, and where they are headed. Continue now to take you through two forms of hubs. One is more industrialized and the other one is a business park. I'm gonna take you through what an industrial hub looks like. When you take a drive through this kind, you will see we have a composition of different types of companies. Some are more handling companies. Another form you'll find machining companies, and the others are more of your typical industrial assemblers, and then the others are more doing more like testing. But in other forms of companies, you'll find those that do a combination of everything in the shop floor. This drive-through, you will see you've got those that are delivering raw materials. You will see pallets on the outside where goods are already packaged and ready for shipping. And then as we drive through, you also see you pass through several kinds of logistics tracking services to come either collect the finished goods or deliver some raw materials. It is an interesting journey that we take, and this particular hub is located in the Roodepoort area, and this has been around for many years. There's a variety of companies that have been operating here for many years, for many decades. Examples are the acquisition of what we call Gandrick Valves by Zenzele Valves, which is now under the group of AVK companies. We have seen funding coming through foreign investments as well as government support through, the DTI or IDC. This other form of business is what we call the Linbro Business Park. They also have a variety of businesses that operate in this particular space. What is interesting about the Linbro Business Park is you have warehouses, you have restaurants, you have shops, and you do have a variety of listings on the warehouses that you'll find in this particular one. And what is interesting is you have a combination of everything. You have the likes of health and beauty companies. You have distributors. You've got transportation and logistics companies. You've got contractors of scaffolding, for example. You've got large entities that does warehousing. You have mass supply of clothing. You also find Coca-Cola Beverages South Africa. So there's also great benefit because of the locality of the Linbro Business Park, and it provides a wide variety of advantages. The fact that it's right close to the N3, and on the other side, you've got your Kempton Park, which is a logistical area, and the airport is not far from rich other areas through the Batlu interchange, you can easily access Midrand through to Pretoria, or on the other side towards the N1 North into the Rambek area and surroundings. So that's it from us. We hope you have got some more insights that can be able to position your business in a better space in the near future. And keep watching our channel. We say Tara.